welcome to Luna Fashion and Beauty. Today we are exploring the timeless charm and modern versatility of waistcoat suit outfits for women. Waistcoats or vests have long been a staple in men's fashion, but they have seamlessly transitioned into women's wardrobes, offering a chic and sophisticated options for various occasions. Whether you are aiming for a polished office look, a sharp casual ensemble, or a stylish evening outfit, waistcoat suits provides endless styling possibilities. Let's delve into the elegance of waistcoat suits and discover how to incorporate them into your wardrobe. Waistcoat suits, often referred to as three-piece suits, consist of blazer, trousers, or skirts, and a waistcoat. This combination creates a cohesive and sophisticated look that can be tailored to suit various styles and occasions. Waistcoat suits are perfect for those who want to add a touch of menswear inspired elegance to their wardrobe while maintaining a feminine and polished appearance. The essence of a waistcoat suit lies in its tailored fit. A well fitted waistcoat enhances your silhouette, accentuating the waist and adding structure to the outfit. Pairing it with a match blazer and trousers or skirt creates a streamlined and cohesive look. Waistcoat suits are incredibly versatile and can be styled in numerous ways. You can wear the complete three-piece ensemble for a formal event or mix and match the waistcoat with other pieces in your wardrobe for a more casual and creative look. Waistcoat suits come in a variety of fabrics, each offering a different look and feel. Wool, tweed, and flannel are popular choices for cooler weather, while linen and cotton are ideal for warmer months. The fabric you choose can significantly influence the overall aesthetic of your outfit. While classic colors like black, navy, and grey are timeless, waistcoat suits are also available in a range of colors and patterns. From pinstrips and checks to bold hues and pastels, there is a waistcoat suit to match every personal style. For a polished office look, opt for a classic waistcoat suit in a neutral color. Pair it with a crisp white blouse or a tailored shirt. Complete the look with minimal jewelry, a structured handbag, and classic pumps. This ensemble exudes professionalism and confidence. To achieve a casual yet chic look, pair a waistcoat with high-waisted jeans and a simple tee. Roll up the sleeves of the blazer and add a pair of loafers or ankle boots. This combination strikes the perfect balance between laid back and stylish. For an evening out, choose a waistcoat suit in a luxurious fabrics like velvet or satin. Opt for a fitted waistcoat and matching trousers. Pair it with statement jewelry, a clutch bag, and a high heels. This sophisticated look is sure to turn heads at any event. Layering is key when it comes to waistcoat suits. During colder months, add a turtleneck or a lightweight sweater under the waistcoat. You can also layer a long coat over the blazer for extra warmth and style. Experiment with different textures and layers to create a unique look. The key to looking stunning in a waistcoat suit is understanding your body shape and choosing a suit that flatters your figure. For instance, a fitted waistcoat with a slight taper at the waist can enhance an hourglass figure, while a more relaxed fit might suit a rectangular body shape. A well-fitted waistcoat suit is essential for achieving a polished look. Ensure that the waistcoat fits snugly but comfortably and that the blazer and trousers or skirts are tailored to your measurement. The luxurious fabrics and bold color made her stand out and feel glamorous. Thank you for joining us on Luna Fashion and Beauty. We hope this exploration of waistcoat suits has inspired you to incorporate these timeless and versatile style into your wardrobe. Whether you are aiming for a professional office look, a chic casual ensemble, or an elegant evening outfit, waistcoat suits offer endless possibilities.